to wrestle for you guys. And I ended up getting my arm hurt in training. But I really wanted to have a match with you guys, but I don't think I can do it tonight.
Okay. That's okay. Next time. Next time.
Better heal up, girl.
It's hot in here. It's a segment.
She's got the fire, and burning in her eyes. City of wolves, the name that she's ready to rise. With her fist clenched tight, she's ready to fight.
Don't let her do that.
She's a
Injured. Injured. I don't care whether you're injured or not. I'm ready to go.
She's a method. She's a
I'm calling you, but not me. That's cute.
third
But I'm ready, so let's go.
You can go to my day show.
Third grade insult.
Come on, sis.
Third grade insult. Is that it?
We have from Truman, Arkansas, Zaya Wolf. She says she still wants to take on Makarri Candy regardless of her injury.
Truman, the Jonesboro reject. Jonesboro reject. Jonesboro reject. Jonesboro
Makarri Candy
reject.
nursing an injury here.
Yeah.
That's receiving training earlier.
Yes.
And it looks like Zaya Wolf is looking to pick the bones clean.
This is the
Got bypass.
And this match will be broadcast by the Littleton Police Department. Not very sportsmanlike here. Now Zaya Wolf putting the boot right to the chin of Makarri Candy. Snapmare over there by Zaya Wolf. She's got the control here. Attacking the arm.
Truman is where you get right.
She's saying no, right? Zaya Wolf's got that straight arm bar. Referee Kylie count right. Asking Makarri Candy if she wants to throw in the towel here. Makarri Candy back to her feet. Reversal into a waist lock. Into the ropes. Going to a counter roll. Zaya Wolf holding on to the ropes. Came up nursing that elbow once again. Zaya Wolf. Going for the takedown. The top of the clothesline. Into the roll. 1, 2. Very questionable result in their last matchup.
How many restraining orders does she have this week?
Now Zaya Wolf.
How many baby daddies does she
Got a
have?
sleeper hold here. Makarri Candy in the ropes. Zaya Wolf not letting go.
Come on, baby, you gotta get off. Let's go. Come on. 1, 2.
Yeah.
It's in the ropes.
Ellie all over her. Whoa, right around. Whoa. Oh, come on now. Oh. Uh-oh, what?
She called her this time.
Yes, she did. That's how she feeling that shit.
Don't shoot the referee.
Oh.
She's the official here.
She's the referee. You don't put her
Zaya Wolf is restrained to the official. Zaya Wolf attacks Makarri Candy. Nice match here.
We got to get some help.
And they are brawling back and forth.
More officials coming out. They're trying to separate these
There's
two.
the Wonder Boy and Enrico looking to break free.
Yeah.
These two wrestlers. Yeah, get her out of here. I don't think this is the last we've seen. Zaya Wolf and Makarri Candy. They are 1-1 now.
Yes, they are. Yes, he
I
tried
want to see a rubber match.
Yeah, they tried. They will try to pull that last stretch. She did it last time. Put her feet on the rope. This time she got caught.
And no right attacking Makarri Candy like that after the match. Makarri Candy, your winner, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, he is.
With an elbow entry and all.
I know.
She fought through it, got the roll up, and then Zaya Wolf attacked. Once again.
The winner, Makarri Candy.
My
Oh, no. Oh, come on now. Cheap shot on that.